There is a faith that drives us move forward. There is an innovation that witnesses our growth. There is an insistence that brings our dream to come true. Concentration casts quality. Innovation leads to future. Pacemaker of Chinese hilly and mountain area agricultural machinery. Hunan Nongyou Machinery Group Company Limited is located in Shuangfeng County, Lodi City with beautiful landscape, a remarkable place with outstanding people, the hometown of generations of talents such as Zheng Guofan and Cai Hesen. Established in 1995, the company is positioned in hilly and mountain area agricultural machinery, and it is a large-scale group enterprise integrated with research and development, production and sale. 4 subsidiaries such as Nongyou Company Limited and Nongyou Shantai are incorporated under the group. An average annual sales revenue in recent 3 years keeps a growth of 30% or so. Nongyou Group is a key enterprise in Hunan agricultural industry, key new high-tech enterprise of National Torch Plan, an enterprise for demonstration of National Industrial Enterprises brand cultivation, a member of State Agricultural Machinery Standardized Committee, and executive member of China Agricultural Mechanization Committee, China Association of Agricultural Machinery Manufacturers, and China Agricultural Machinery Distribution Association. On New Year's Day of 2012, Liu Ruoqiao, president of Hunan Nongyou Machinery Group Company Limited, was invited to participate in Economic Operation Forum convened at Shantan and presided by Premier Wen Jiabao as the only representative of Hunan Agricultural Machinery Enterprises.
现在我们缺少的是什么呢？缺少的是要增加农机的品种，农民多样化需求的农业基建。我赞成农机行业在这里。
Consolidation and development of our company over the years have been highly affirmed by Premier Wen Jiabao, Deputy Minister of Agricultural Department Zhang Yaolin, and other leaders of the party and government. A good fortune, trademark of the company, was rated as China Famous Brand in 2012, and the product has won Hunan Product Quality Award, Hunan Famous Brand, and other honors. The products are sold well in over 20 countries and cities, as well as Vietnam, Thailand, Burma, Malaysia, Laos, and other countries and regions. Production and sales volume of combined rice polisher ranks #1 of the state, and production and sales volume of dryer and harvester ranks #1 in the province. Product export achieves great leap forward development. Export sales increased by 10 times in 2015, and that of 2016 increased by 3 times that of 2015, in excess of $10 million, wherein self-support export was of $6 million. Technical Center of the company is certified as State-Level Enterprise Technical Center, National Worker Pioneer, and one of the Enterprise Science and Technology Entrepreneur Team of Hunan Province, and the subsidy of Nongyou Company Limited and Nongyou Shantai are both new high-tech enterprise of Hunan Province. As of the end of 2016, the company owned 109 national patents, wherein 25 patents for invention, led or participated in formulating 2 national standards and 7 industrial standards. 32 technologies have passed national achievement authentication, wherein 8 have reached domestic advanced level, 2 have filled the domestic gap, 2 achievements have won Hunan Science and Technology Progress second prize. 1 achievement has won Lodi Science and Technology Progress second prize. 2 achievements have been listed into Hunan Industrial Area 100 Major New Products Boosting Plan projects. 4 technologies have been listed into the Guide Directory of Hunan Strategic Emerging Industry Major Key Common Technology Development. The company possesses over 500 sets of high-end advanced production equipment, including flexible plate laser blanking machine, flexible sectional material laser blanking machine, numerical control machining center, flexible robot welding system, environmental spraying production line, flexible general assembly production line, and other equipment. To ensure efficient and durable use of the company product, the company has jointly built metallographical 3D printing and model verification, mechanic structure, reliable life, and other laboratories with Agricultural University of Hunan and Hunan University of Humanities, Science and Technology, which offer tests on material, performance and life of parts, and complete machine. Insisting in university-industry cooperation, the company has jointly built Hunan Provincial Engineering Technology Research Center for Modern Agricultural Equipment with Agricultural University of Hunan, and led to establishment of Hunan Lodi Agricultural Machinery Technology Innovation Strategy Alliance, and set up a close cooperative relationship with Chinese Academy of Agricultural Mechanization Sciences, South China Agricultural University, Hunan University, Agricultural University of Hunan, Central South University of Forestry and Technology, Agricultural Machinery Identification Station of the province, and other colleges and universities and scientific research institutions. Long-term technology research and development has led to adjustment of product structure of the company and has formed mechanized series products covering whole cores of rice such as farming machinery, sprout cultivation and planting machinery, harvesting machinery, drying machinery, rice milling machinery. 1 GHz series crawler self-propelled rotary cultivator is mainly used for reclamation, weeding and grassland regeneration farming of paddy field and dry farmland, and it is available for operations of ditching, riding fertilization, line planting if equipped with accessories, aiming at the difficulty of different speed of operation in farming dry farmland in a paddy field in hilly and mountain area. Such machine with domestic advanced variable speed from range shift and static force hydraulic pressure stabilized speed regulating mechanism and high ground clearance chassis is developed, so that different operation environments of dry farmland and a paddy field can be easily dealt with, aiming at the difficulty of low pan being damaged from wheel-type machines operation in paddy field. Rubber crawler unit is integrated and created, which offer effective protection on plow pan. Riding type high-speed rice transplanter is mainly used for transplanting rice seedlings, and it applies a new type sensor technology and automatically alarms when sensing lack of seedling via pressing. It applies a method combining a movement and a fluid simulation. An hydromatic copying control mechanism is developed to flexibly master rice transplanting depth. It applies movement simulation design method and equipped with front-mounted type, reciprocating slider, drive type feeding box mover mechanism, cam-linked longitudinal seedling feeding mechanism to precisely control feeding of seedling. Outstanding product quality and good product performance are very suitable for large area operation. 4LZ series full-feeding grain combined harvester is mainly used for operation of harvesting rice and wheat. 4LZ 08 1.0 1.4 type with a small volume, flexible to use and convenient to transfer, are very suitable for operation in small parcel of rice field of hilly and a mountain area. 4LZ 2.2Z 5.0Z full-feeding grain combined harvester applies longitudinal axial flow threshing method with a fast harvesting speed available for lodging, harvesting grain with little left, equipped with a large barn itself, and convenient in loading and unloading grain. 5HL series grain dryer is mainly used for drying grain crop such as cereal and oilseed rape, applies advanced mixed flow, low temperature circulating drying technology, and effectively enhances cereal drying speed and drying quality. Heated by self-developed indirect type biomass briquette hot blast stove with high efficiency of heat utilization, as well as clean and pollution-free hot blast stove and dryer achieve integrated control, a high automation control degree, automatic feeding, automatic temperature control, automatic drying, online supervision, and unattended operation. For a cereal processing combination machine, rice milling part processes paddy into rice in one time and complete separation of bran and second head at the same time. Smashing part may be used for smashing paddy, corn, broom corn, beans, potato, cane category, and pulping. The machine has many advantages such as simple structure, convenient use, safe and reliable. In planning of the future, the group will take Made in China 2025 implemented by the state as an opportunity, good quality first as principle, intelligent manufacture as principal line, and take 3-year repair-free as a goal. Manufacture agricultural machinery with the same principle of producing automobile, improve quality of and upgrade technological equipment, and achieve intelligent manufacture gradually. Take customer as focus of attention as usual. Make continuous improvement. Promote customer satisfaction constantly. Develop e-commerce platform. Realization of integration of 3 networks of e-commerce network, traditional distribution network, and after-sales service network. Expand foreign investment and propel product export. Continue to strengthen investment of research and development, develop intelligent product, create simulation laboratory, set up technical innovation center in Changtan area, forge state-level innovation center, and drive the enterprise to have a good and rapid development with innovation. 20 years breaking, open a way through brambles and thorns, imprints a series of unforgettable footprint. 20 years unsurpassed striving and endless innovation. 20 years accumulation and sufficient confidence. Nongyou's people live up to history in retrospect. Look into the future. 100 years road stretches in front of Nongyou's people. Nongyou is forging ahead towards the ambitious goal of hilly and mountain area pacemaker.